Want to test your Samsung's phone hardware using a secret code? Follow the simple steps. So first of all, let's open up our phone application. And now we are to dial the secret code, which sounds like *#0*, and then when you're gonna press hash, it's gonna automatically put you into this testing field. So let's do this. There we are. We have many options. Like we can simply put red. The red color is gonna be brought up. Green, blue, so your classic RGB. You can check your phone's vibration if you're gonna tap on it. So it looks black, but it basically vibrates right now. The receiver, you should hear this right upcoming sounds. It means that receiver worked correctly. Mega cam. Let's go back or simply take a picture. To exit from this mode, great. Sensors. So here are the sensors. Here are accelerometer, barometer, gyroscope, and stuff. Touch, speaker, sub key, front cam. Let's tap on the front cam. There we are. Let's take a picture. Let's go back. Let's give it some time to be processed. So as you see, there are many options which you can use. For example, your screen is not that responsive anymore. This happens. Simply press on touch, and now you can do this little test to check whether it's a hardware-related issue or software-related issue. So as you see, to complete the check, we have to cross everything what we see. And that's how basically every feature in this menu works. So when you're done with it, simply hit your back button or do this back gesture as I just did, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.